Hey friends, hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Simone, and in today's video I'm going to be stuffing my small business envelope. So if you're game for that, then continue to watch. Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be stuffing my small business binder, or my business binder I should say. Let's just think big here. I did do a YouTube shorts on me just kind of revamping my binder, so hopefully you guys can go ahead and check that out. But something just super simple to kind of get me motivated to save and boss up for 2023 and onwards, right? This just says live, laugh, and save like a boss. Because in business, we do also have to save. Sometimes we forget about that. All right, let's start off with our funds. And I think that's it. Yep. I'm like looking in the envelope, wishing there was something else. But let's just go ahead and count. Super small stuff for today, but I'm just super motivated to just continue to move forward no matter how small or dainty the funds are to stuff in each envelope. So I have 5, 10, 15, and 10. That gives me $25. So that's what we're stuffing for today. So first up is my office supply, and that includes ink and just any little things I need for my small business office. So we're going to add $5. I'll actually put the trackers over here and just kind of update them at the end. So office supply now has 5, 10, 15, and 20. Next up is inventory. And that just includes stuff like cardstock, paper, things of that nature, and some other little supplies which I've been getting. I'm saving for this binder, but still, I already have like goals and wish lists on Amazon, and I'm getting certain things, and I really like that. So because I really want to do some fun things for my business this year. So this is getting $5. Inventory now has 5, 10, 15, and 20. And honestly, I encourage anyone and everyone who is able to have like a little side hustle or a small business on the side to just do it. You know, don't put all your hopes and dreams and faith into your 9-to-5. Nothing wrong with having a 9-to-5, because an income is an income. Okay, don't get it twisted. But at the same time, always kind of look to do something on the side, right? Okay, so subscription now has 10, 15, and 20. And this is to pay for stuff like my Epidemic Sound, my Canva subscription, anything to kind of help my business to grow. My website, all of that is covered under subscription. Now I have YouTube, and this is to buy like YouTube equipment, as well as to fund my YouTube giveaway as my channel grows. This envelope will definitely fund any giveaways that I have for the future. So YouTube now has 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay, next up is taxes. And taxes will be getting 5 as well. So tax now has 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay, so the only envelope that will not be getting stuffed is marketing and my P.O. box. Okay, just because I feel like I'm already doing like free marketing, it's not necessary at this moment. I'm still growing and I'm trying to do all of my exercise, all of my free resources as possible. And then PO box, I'm not there yet. I did have a PO box in the past, but I kind of gave that up. But I really want to get a new one for this YouTube channel, because you kind of have to always plan ahead and understand that your channel will grow and you will get bigger, and you're gonna need a private address and not have people send in stuff to your personal address, you know what I mean? So this is future goals, future planning. So that is it for my business cash stuffing for today. Don't want to bore you guys with updating the trackers, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this off camera. So yeah, that is all for today. Short, sweet, to the point, getting down to business, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.